In order to download Java on your Windows machine, all you have to do is go to your favorite browser, type in GDK, and typically it'll come up just from that. You're just going to go to this website. I'll leave it in my description. And right now the latest is Java 24, but whatever it is, if you're in the future, you're just going to scroll down until you see Windows. And then we're just going to be doing the normal 64-bit installer, and you're just going to want to click on that link and it's going to start downloading. So once that's done downloading, you're going to want to click on the .exe, and then you're going to want to click yes to allow this app to make changes to your device. And then from here, you're going to go through it like a normal installer. You're just going to click next, next, and it's going to start downloading. Now that it's successfully installed, you can just hit close. And in order to make sure that it's actually installed, we're just going to go to apps and features, and you can literally just look it up here to make sure that it's installed. So we'll type in Java, and we see that we do have the SE Development Kit 24, so that's the version we just installed. And if you have any older versions, you can just go ahead and uninstall all of these. And that's how you install Java on your Windows machine. I strive to make really short, fast, but informative tutorials, so if you enjoy these and want more or have any recommendations, leave a comment, subscribe, and like.